Hey guys, it's Ellie here. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw one of these roses. When I started to draw, I tried to find the lesson that would be just right for me, but I didn't find it because some of them were for color pencils, some of them are just speed drawing like I do, and it doesn't work for me well. But the problem is that I'm a very lazy person and I need a quick solution. And watching a long time video is a torture for me. So let's do this. I'll give you a solution first, numbered list, and then we go through every step. Let's go. Start with a sketch, trace image or draw a new one, it's up to you. Second one, you need to fill it with mid colors taken from your reference. Number 3, highlights. Number 4, shadows. Number 5, darken the shadows. And finally, you can turn off your sketch and draw a new one. Draw your sketch using any sketch brush. And number 2 is a bit more difficult. You need to find mid color from your reference. It's a color you can find between highlights and shadows. It's a main color of your petals. Every time you're taking sample from your reference, you need to remember that you need to move pencil a bit up and to the right in your color panel to get clean color. As you can see here, for the second color, bright pink, I'm taking sample from the upper petals of our rose, from the area between highlights and shadows. Here's the trick. Here I'm using special brush with one sharp edge, and second one is soft. I don't want to erase from the tip of the petal, and I don't want to blend in too much in the middle. So I'm using this special brush. Also, you can see that I started to draw with the color from my reference first, and it didn't work well. So I moved my pencil to clean white color. I use same brush and same technique for shadows. And remember, it doesn't matter to start from shadows or from highlights. It's up to you. Next step is darken shadows. Take smaller brush, darken color, and draw darken shadows closer to the center of your rose. For the final step, you need to turn off your first sketch and I'd say draw a new one. Take even darker pink color and draw bold lines when petals get together and very soft lines on the petal tips, and you'll see the difference. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this kind of tutorials, because I have a lot of ideas for new ones. Stay tuned and I'll see you again.